Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am so pleased to be doing the Show Us Your Elf Easter hashtag collaboration with J Dolls UK, Dory's Dollies, Playful Reborns, and Tina's Reborns, and more. I love these little elf dolls. Cynthia from Ambrosia's Dollhouse said the cutest thing about these elves that I'm betting once you hear is going to be said all over YouTube. They look like they just asked for a cookie. Can I have a cookie, please? Doesn't that just fit? Cynthia, you're brilliant. This is a little dress I made for my little Easter elf. I love this print. I think it's so cute on her. I did something a little different with the collar this time. I wanted each one of the three of her Easter outfits to be different from one another. And yeah, she had three this year. I was making this outfit and I was cutting the skirt of the dress so that the rejoice would line up, it would line up. And I cut it too short. So I went and got one of my Poopsie, or what's the other one they call them? Poopsie Surprise or Rainbow Surprise dolls. And I made her the little top with the skirt that I messed up, and I'm kind of glad I messed it up. It worked up. Darren 3D prints these Poopsie Surprise doll shoes sole, and I just love them because so many times you find these dolls and they don't have shoes, or the shoes don't match the outfit you want to make. We always tell you that use any elf doll you have. We really do just want you to show us your elves. Look at this little girl that I won. I won this from Mel's channel, Living at Gigi Ma Style. And look at the job she did. She did this face up and everything herself. She made this little bracelet. She even sent the little Easter bunny and a whole bunch. I have a video on everything she sent. Clothing, this little outfit she sent. A bottle, diapers. She even sent me candy. I mean, it was quite the box opening. And then we just finished, actually she's not finished, working on this little elf. She's got her Easter bonnet on. This is a midi, and we added beads to the back. I only have one side beaded because we still haven't determined her name yet. But when you pull on gently these beads, nope, her eyes go back and forth by pulling on the strings. It's just for fun. There's a dial here, if you don't know, right here. And when you move the dial, it moves her eyes. But we added the strings because, well, she's a Blythe doll. Look at these adorable ears that Darren made, 3D printed. He did them in flesh tone, and he did all the carving and everything for those to fit her like they do. I am in love with it. Now she needs a name. If you have any elf name ideas, you can put them in the comments. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you so much to Tina, Jay, Penny, and Dory for this fun that we're having with these elf doll challenges. We have some fun challenges coming up for you to show us your elf dolls in a theme. Please check out their channels, and if you have an elf, show us your elf video today, please leave me a comment so that I don't miss a single video. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. P.S. My little elf does have a name now, and she is finished, although I am thinking about having Darren pierce her little ear. I love these ears. She had her lips painted, and she got her beads on and a name. Her name is Elfina. And she has her little beads, and I love these. Darren makes these little pull rings for the middies and the minis. Thank you for watching.